Perseverance is the key. Loss in one deal does not mean loss in business. Defeat in a battle does not imply defeat in war. Failure in an examination does not mean failure in life. Facing a traffic jam does not mean the end of the journey. Likewise, facing a difficult time does not mean the end of life. According to Thomas Carlyle, from the lowest depths, there is a path to the loftiest heights. The tendency to persevere, to persist in spite of hindrances, discouragement, and impossibilities. It is this, in all things, distinguishes the strong soul from the weak. One day, a farmer's donkey fell down into a well. The animal cried piteously for hours as the farmer tried to figure out what to do. Finally, he decided the animal was old and the well needed to be covered up anyway. It just wasn't worth to retrieve the donkey. So he invited all his neighbors to come over and help him to cover up the well along with the donkey. They all grabbed a shovel and began to shovel dirt into the well. At first, the donkey realized what was happening and cried horribly. Then, to everyone's amazement, he quieted down. A few shovels later, the farmer finally looked down into the well and was astonished at what he saw. With every shovel of dirt that hit his back, the donkey was doing something amazing. He would shake it off and take a step up. As the farmer's neighbors continued to shovel dirt on top of the animal, he would shake it off and take a step up. Pretty soon, everyone was amazed as the donkey stepped up over the edge of the well and trotted off. Life is going to shovel dirt on you, all kinds of dirt. The trick to getting out of the well is to shake it off and take a step up. Each of our troubles is a stepping stone. We can get out of the deepest wells just by not stopping, never giving up. Shake it off and take a step up. According to Calvin Coolidge, nothing in this world can take the place of persistence. Neither talent, nor genius, nor education. Persistence and determination alone are omnipotent. The slogan, "Press on," has solved and always will solve the problems of the human race. Samuel Johnson says, "Great works are performed not by strength but perseverance." In the words of Thomas Edison, genius is 2% inspiration and 98% perspiration. Edison worked 18 hours a day and practiced Herculean patience. Once he recognized the value of an idea, Edison stayed with the process until he discovered its secret. His alkaline storage battery became a reality after 10,000 failed experiments. Have you watched a stone cutter hammering at his rock? He hammers and hammers without any crack appearing on the rock. Yet, at the 100th blow, it will split in two. It is not just the 100th blow that did it, but all that had gone before. H.W. Longfellow said, "The heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by sudden flight, but they, while their companions slept, were toiling upward in the night. Arise, awake, and stop not till the destination is reached."